Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the perfect optimized LinkedIn profile. So whether you're a student, a business owner, an entrepreneur, a freelancer, and you're starting on LinkedIn, you don't know what to do, you should watch this video. We have the perfect LinkedIn profile example that you can copy so that you can do things on your own LinkedIn profile and make it optimized. So first things first, the first thing you need to do if you want to have an optimized LinkedIn profile is to have just a simply have a clean and simple profile photo. That's it. You don't need to have something fancy. You don't need to hire someone to do it for you. You can just use Canva for it. You can just find yourself on your gallery, just a clean looking photo. That's it. And just make sure that you're smiling on your profile photo. It works all the time, if it has a smile on it. So for our example on our LinkedIn profile, it will be Alicia Colin Hurd. I'm going to show you later on who she is and why you should copy her style in terms of LinkedIn profile optimization. So as you can see, her cover photo, it just has a background, which is like a gradient of purple that seems to be like a universe kind of feeling. So that's what she's using. And she just has a smile, pretty big smile. It works all the time, like I said. And if you want to highlight her profile photo, this is what it looks like. Again, just a purple background and the smile. That's it. Nothing fancy. And I spoke with Alicia. I had a meeting with her last week. She said that she just used Canva to do this. So again, like I said, it's just pretty basic. You don't need to hire someone. You just need to use Canva. Next is Alicia is the co-founder of Persuasion Experience. Persuasion Experience is the marketing team behind Linktree. So Linktree is a multi-billion dollar platform that influencers are heavily using because it compiles all their social media platforms, social media pages in just one place. So that is Linktree. Again, they are the reason why it got so big because Persuasion Experience is the one handling their digital marketing. So again, Alicia Colin Hurd is someone that has a good reputation in terms of LinkedIn marketing and digital marketing. So you should definitely copy her style. The next part is take advantage of your cover photo. Instead of just using like buildings on your cover photo or trees whatsoever, take advantage of your cover photo to expose your brand and your services. This is what Alicia's cover photo on LinkedIn. As you can see, this is her brand, Persuasion Experience, and on the right hand side, she's talking about her services, which is a good way to promote your business. That's how you can take advantage of your cover photo instead of using a use this photo for your cover photo. Okay. The next thing is to use your headline wisely. So most people are just using their headline for job title, like CEO or Director of Business Development. But you can use your headline to promote more of your services and use hashtags as well. So you can see that is what Link or Alicia is doing on her LinkedIn profile. She's also using hashtag and not just job title. She's using words that you could have an idea on how she can help your business. Okay, so take advantage and use your headline wisely. The next thing is to build your credibility on your about section. So most people are wasting their about section on LinkedIn, putting in like they graduated here, they graduated there, they did this, they did that. Instead of that, try to build your reputation here. Why people should listen to you, why people should hire you. Build your reputation. What are the incredible things that you did, incredible things that you achieve. So you need to take advantage of your about section. It doesn't need to be long. As you can see, Alicia doesn't have a long about section. It just needs to be something that is captivating, that would build your reputation and credibility so that clients would know why they should trust you. All right. So those are the things that you need to do to have a perfect optimized LinkedIn profile. You don't need to hire someone. It's just basic stuff. Trust me, the simple things matter. So again, I hope you learn a thing or something on this video. My name is Kurt. I'm the Director of Business Development here on BigLinker. And if you want more tips and tricks on LinkedIn, I hope you like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, please check out BigLinker. So if you need anything, if you want to learn more about LinkedIn, you can book a meeting with us. You can send us a chat, and we can be there for you. And we can help you out on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, get more meetings, clients, and sales out of LinkedIn. Again, my name is Kurt. I'm Director of Business development here on BigLinker, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye bye.